What's going on, guys, and welcome back today to the vlog. I know I haven't really been posting a lot of vlog content, and I just wanted to hop on and make a video that's completely off the cuff and unscripted. Just sort of explain a little bit to you guys about why. There's a bunch of reasons, honestly, why I haven't been making as much vlog or TSX content, and I feel like you guys deserve to know because, you know, over the last 6 months, we've worked really hard on the gaming end of things, and I'm so proud of what we've built over there. GTA's been doing really well. The streams are absolutely amazing, and the people who hang out in the Discord are genuinely my family. We have so many new people in there, and I'm just so proud of what we built, but you guys know from the old days, the old logo era as I call it, that we had a whole separate half to the channel, which was the vlogs and the IRL stuff. And I haven't been making that, and I feel bad, and I just wanted to make a video for you guys and just sort of explain a little bit about why. And the first reason, honestly, is the car's been great this season. I bought this car with 200,000 miles on it and needed a ton of work, which was great for the vlogs, but now honestly it's just driving so nicely that I've just been driving it. Obviously part installs and product reviews and whatnot are a huge part of the channel and definitely something that I never want to stop, but vlogs also used to be just my life and the camera, and that's something that I haven't been doing a lot of lately, and I'm sorry. And that kind of leads me into the second reason why I haven't been vlogging, which is a confidence issue, man. I had a period of my life where, you know, for 2 years I sort of became somebody who I'm not very proud of. And that includes weight gain, that includes a personality change, that includes a lot of things that just made me somebody that I'm really not stoked on. And over these last 6 months, especially with the help of that Discord family and all the gaming stuff, I've been slowly turning back into the person that I was really proud of when I would film these vlogs beforehand. But I think a huge part of what made me into that person originally was hopping in front of the camera and making vlogs. And it's just something that I've really been missing, and I'm really excited to bring back. I have been getting in better shape, I have been working on my confidence, and I'm starting to feel a lot better. And that sort of brings me into my third reason here, guys, which is that the vlogs have sort of over time become something that I never really planned them to be. And like I said, I have been posting them. You know, we did the ball joint video, which was great. We did the intercooler install in Devin's car, which was so much fun. And those were close, but I used to just make vlogs of like checking my oil and going to the beach or just enjoying a night out or doing whatever. And although those videos didn't get a ton of views, they were the videos that I had the most fun making, and I want to get back to that so bad. Now, obviously, in order for me to make those videos, I have to be the person that I'm proud of while I'm filming, and that was step one. And over the last 6 months, I really have made a lot of progress, and I owe all of that to God and to you guys. I'm finally feeling ready to put the camera back in front of my life and film it and share it with you guys, and I'm so excited for that, and that's what today's video is going to be. And like I said, of course, we're not getting rid of product reviews, we're not getting rid of part installs, we're still going to be doing a ton of stuff on this car. I want to reinforce the transmission mounts on this car, and I also have plans cosmetically for this car, which include polishing the absolutely terrible paint that we have on it currently, and hopefully wrapping it and putting a body kit on it one day too. But aside from all that, guys, I just want to turn the camera back on and share my life with you guys once again. So this is the first of hopefully many videos here on the channel, vlog style videos. Today we're just going to be enjoying the car. I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. We have a stream later tonight. Let's start the vlog. Alright guys, so like I said, today's just going to kind of be like a normal vlog, day in the lifestyle video. We do have a stream tonight, but I do want to pick up a few things for the next few videos here with the TSX. First is going to be O'Reilly's, then Walmart, because we do need a hard drive cable too to back up some files. Let's hit the road. Oh, we do have a little mod here we can install. Got a new dongle for the TSX because I've actually been swapping the dongle from the TSX over to the RL back there. There it is. No way, this thing comes with instructions. What more can it say other than plug it in? Take this, take the aux cord, and we have installed a mod today. Let's go. And of course, we got to start today off with the re-record of Dear Maria, Count Me In. Brother. Why? Well, what's up, dude? I was hoping I'd see you today. Dude, we got just a regular day in the life vlog. What's going on, man? How are you?
Good, man. Good.
We've met Jay before in the vlog.
What's going on, guys?
This is one of the OGs right here.
Yeah, retail counter service, man. I just find it nice and clean. Nothing. No issues.
Yeah. Well, actually, you know, that's the project now. Believe it or not.
Nice.
Yeah. So we got solid motor mounts.
Yep.
Lightweight flywheel.
Okay.
Upgraded clutch. Spacers with wider wheels.
Yep.
Fully adjustable suspension.
Okay.
Exhaust. Short ram intake.
So you worry about the big stuff. I'm thinking about the regular maintenance. What about your fluids?
Motor fluids are all up. All up. I promise. I checked it.
How's your ignition coils?
Just did them last fall.
Okay. Transmission fluids.
Replaced twice when I did the axles the first time, and then so I put insane shafts axles.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
The axles I didn't realize didn't have grease in the boots, so I blew the axles.
No.
And when I had my uncle do the clutch because
Yeah,
I was daily driving at the time. Bill,
see, guys,
all at once
fluids are very important.
Very important. Keep them up, especially if you take 200,000 miles.
Yes,
The oil just like falls right out of it. So honestly, dude, it's the best it's ever run. I've had it for 2 years.
Yeah, man. I
and
know.
it was a bag of problems. So
You're on it, yeah.
honestly, this
See,
season I've
look
just
at
been-
you. You're jumping ahead to bolt-ons already,
Oh,
man.
dude,
You gotta worry about the basic maintenance
Even a turbo
first.
kit. I saw a $1,600 turbo. Alright guys, unfortunately no hard drive cable at Walmart. I checked Best Buy last night too, neither store had it, so I think that's going to be an Amazon order, but we did get all of our detailing stuff here for the car. We're going to head home next and I'm going to take you guys through a sneak preview of the next two projects we have here for the TSX. Alright guys, so we are back home here at the garage. Now I did pick up a few things for the car today. First up here is Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. This stuff is so sick, I can't wait to make a video on this. I'm actually going to throw up a before and after photo right now of a small spot that I did on the hood that came out so nice. I actually hand polished that. I didn't even need a power tool or a rotary, so that was awesome. Now because I hand polished that first section, I'm going to use these hand polishing pads here. Did get microfiber, so that's huge. I'm going to make a whole video about this, so I don't want to get too in depth, but that's what we got at O'Reilly's, plus some air fresheners to just make the car smell a little better. That's black ice, of course, can't go wrong there. And then for our second project, I got this. This is 3M window weld, and this is a transmission mount. Now, if I show you guys an old one, you guys will see there's a lot of play in there, and it's just not super sturdy, so I'm not loving these things, and it is a common issue on the TSX where this one specifically wears out, and the engine rocks back and forth a ton. It can cause back and forth lurching while you're driving, and it can cause an annoying clicking sound when you let the clutch out in first gear. So the idea is you take the window weld, and you fill these gaps to reinforce the mounts themselves. Now, we are going to be doing both lowers. I have this one here in the new packaging from Honda, which is sick, and then I've got the other lower right here as well, and I think we're going to reuse the upper transmission mount for now, because my thought is if you're reinforcing and filling it up anyway, you probably don't need the new mounts, but we'll get there when we get there. So that's a little sneak preview for you guys of both of the projects we have upcoming here on the TSX. Now, I did mention we have a stream today, guys, so I'm going to eat some dinner, and then we're going to head downstairs and fire up either CarX or Forza, I'm not sure yet. Maybe both, who knows. Alright guys, so we are here and we are actually streaming CarX. It's been a while. This game is one of our favorites here. Super stoked to be back on this game. I did have a hacking issue for a little bit, but so far so good. I should probably knock on some wood before I get too far into trouble here. But hanging out with the boys, we got the boys in chat here. Just super stoked to be back on CarX. So I'm gonna get back to streaming and I'll see you guys in a few. And there we go guys, finishing up the night as well here with some Forza Horizon 5. So much fun. Got the classic NTNS Mark IV here and a couple of the guys left in the chat. It's super late and it's definitely time to shut down now. So guys, you made it this far in the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the vlog, feel free to leave a like down below and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I'll catch you all in the next one to work on the TSX. Peace.